We are looking at no hurricanes around, but a west wind, and this west wind has brought some clouds in this evening. It blocked the sun out. Wasn't that great of a sunset until just a little bit peered through just before it dropped below the horizon there, you see. But there's been some periodic showers along the coast. Not a lot of heavy rainfall, not concentrated all that much. This interesting cloud photo right there moving in on Lido. Andrea getting that shot, appreciate it. And Fred Seeger from last night had some pretty good shots as well. Here's a little spotty showers now and again pushing onshore as a result of this west and steady west wind, which has really got our humidity way up there, and it's sure feeling like summer out there, although we're not in our typical summer pattern. You can see the rainfall estimates have been spotty across the Sun Coast. Not a lot. The heavier rain, even that wasn't much. Inland areas. And as far as the overall forecast goes, that trough stays to our north. We'll see a few showers in the morning, and then those will push off to the east. This is around 3 or 1:30, but 3 o'clock to start to get a little heavier, and then push off toward the east coast. And then again, late night tomorrow night, a possibility of a few spotty showers moving on shore. The heavier rain staying to our north and more concentrated showers and storms. They could see a possibility of 3-4 inches of rainfall before it's all said and done. Now, in the tropics, all is quiet, unusually quiet, and this blue area they see right there, that's a hostile environment all throughout the Caribbean, and that's a good sign, not just for the next few days, but for the future into August and September, too. Whenever you have strong easterly trade winds here in the Caribbean, the hurricane production goes down. On top of that, there's another large plume of African dust coming off the coast there, which will also suppress storms. We have to keep an eye on this area, though. This is a favorite area for development, and as this trough dives down over the southeast, we'll have to watch the tail end of it. There's always that chance that when you get a trough this far south, that there's something could be spinning up on the tail end. 85 right now, feels like 95. It's 84 in downtown Sarasota, 82 in Mayaca City. Temperature is warm everywhere because of the lack of rainfall to cool us down, and the Gulf water temperature warming up, 89 degrees. You'll see these winds, they'll stay out of the west, and they'll pick up tomorrow afternoon, anywhere from 10 to 15 miles an hour. And it looks as though with that steady west wind, we'll see similar conditions as we saw today. Very warm, very muggy. Heat index today was 100 to 105 degrees, depending upon where you live, but it feels like 95 right now with the temperature at 85. No rainfall to report at the airport. We're nearly a ½ inch below average for the month and over 2 inches below average for the year. And that, again, is the case. Our high today was 91, and our low this morning was warm at 79. We're going to see these warm overnight readings, too, right around 80 degrees to start the day off on Wednesday and Thursday. Temperature is currently nice in places like Detroit and Toledo, as well as into Chicago. 70 degrees there. Highs tomorrow will be in the upper 70s. Very hot into Texas at 104, the high in Dallas, and 86 degrees into Kansas City, same in the nation's capital. Well, for boating tomorrow, it'll be calm out there again, just a light shot. Seas will be less than 2 feet. Now, that'll be in the morning. You may have to dodge a few showers. The afternoon, those seas will pick up to about 2 foot, and we'll have a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The 7-day forecast checks in like this: 40% chance for scattered storms. We talked about the timing. Same on Thursday. Things don't change. We'll still see a slight chance for a few morning showers on Friday along the coast, and that stays with us through the weekend with a 30% chance on Saturday, 40 on Sunday. With that steady west wind, it's going to stay warm, hot, and muggy over the next at least 5 days and probably the next 2 months. Jacqueline?
All right, typical summer here in Florida. Thank you, Bob.